The name petir alone tells you everything you need to know about what this car represents. In Indonesian, petir means lightning, and that's exactly the kind of energy, speed, and intensity this 2025 model was designed to capture. From the moment you see it, you realize this is not just another fast car, it's a statement about precision, agility, and modern electric power that feels like it belongs to the future. The story of the Petir started just a few years ago when its first generation was unveiled, and the goal was clear, to create a machine that could rival the established performance giants while carrying the soul of a new era. At launch, it entered a market crowded with cars like the Tesla Model S Plaid, the Porsche Taycan Turbo, and the Lucid Air Sapphire. But while those models made waves with their tech and raw speed, the Petir stood out because it wasn't trying to copy them, it was aiming to redefine what lightning-fast performance meant in a modern car. Looking at its design, the Petir 2025 combines sharp, aerodynamic lines with sculpted surface that seem to slice through the air. The front is aggressive without being overbearing, featuring slim, high-tech LED matrix headlights that resemble a streak of lightning. The rear design flows seamlessly, with a continuous light bar and an active spoiler that deploys automatically at high speeds. Every element of the body is not just about looks, it's about cutting drag and maximizing downforce, and that translates into serious performance on the road. Inside, the Petir doesn't hold back on innovation. The cabin feels futuristic but welcoming, with a minimalist layout centered around a curved OLED display that serves as both instrument cluster and infotainment hub. The use of sustainable materials like recycled carbon composites and vegan leather gives it an eco-conscious touch, while ambient lighting pulses like flashes of lightning across the trim when the car is started. It's technology-driven but doesn't overwhelm you, which is something some competitors struggle with. Under the hood, or rather, under the floor, the Petir 2025 packs a dual-motor all-wheel drive system, powered by a next-generation solid-state battery. This gives it a staggering output of around 1,100 horsepower, launching it from 0 to 100 km per jam in just under 2 seconds, putting it in the same league as Tesla's fastest offerings and Porsche's track-focused Taycan variants. The battery not only gives it immense power but also offers a real-world range of about 700 km, which is noticeably higher than many rivals. Fast charging technology allows you to gain 300 km of range in under 10 minutes, making it practical for both city commutes and long journeys. When it comes to handling, the Petir is equally impressive. Thanks to its lightweight architecture, adaptive suspension, and torque vectoring, it feels planted on sharp corners while still delivering a smooth, comfortable ride in daily use. Compared to something like the Porsche Taycan, which feels more like a precision instrument, the Petir aims for a balance. It's blisteringly quick but also friendly enough for everyday drivers. Pricing-wise, the Petir is positioned as a serious contender. Starting around $95, it undercuts some of its luxury rivals while offering performance that meets, or even surpasses, them. Fully loaded versions can push past $130, but even at that level, it feels like a bargain compared to the six-figure price tags of cars with similar specs. What really makes the Petir unique, though, is its personality. Where Tesla sells itself as high-tech and futuristic, and Porsche leans on heritage and racing DNA, Petir feels alive. The name Lightning is not just a branding choice, it's embedded in the experience. From the instant torque that pins you back in your seat, to the way the car responds with almost no delay, to the visual choice of light strips illuminating like a storm inside and out, it feels like the designers wanted to capture the raw thrill of nature's most powerful phenomenon and put it on four wheels. The Petir 2025 is more than just another fast electric car, it's a symbol of how performance, technology, and emotion can merge. It proves that new players can stand alongside, and some teams even outshine, the established giants. For anyone who wants speed, range, and futuristic design wrapped in a package that feels like driving pure electricity itself, the Petir delivers on its name in a very possible way. Would you like me to make this script more in the style of a reviewer talking directly on camera with excitement and reactions, or should it stay more like a documentary-style narration?